Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. I'm Danielle and it's great to have you guys here. Today I'm going to be kind of doing a review and a flip through of this new system to me. This is the Petite Planner System with Erin Condren. So I have some of the Petite journals and like notebooks over there. I have a few accessories. And then I also have the actual Petite Planner. So let's go ahead and start with this. So I got the color Sapphire. It is this really pretty blue, and it is kind of this like navy with the kind of embossed asterisk. When you open it up, it is just completely plain with your strings that come in here. The back has a little Erin Condren logo, and then you have your string here to go around the outside. So this is the color Sapphire, and it is stunning. It is a beautiful blue. I love the color, and this is kind of like a traveler's notebook system. So in the middle here you have strings. You can kind of adjust the length a little bit, pull them how you want them, and you add in your journals. So for me, I got a couple different ones. So let's set that to the side. I got this one right here. This is the Petite Planner Wellness Log. This is 6 months worth of spreads. And it tells you right here on the front what it has. It has a weekly food journal, monthly goal and progress spreads, monthly wellness tips, daily workout, step, water intake, etc. So this year they did kind of this like color blends theme. So it starts at this like pretty peach, goes to orange, and then kind of ends in this teal. So if you open it up, all right, so right in the beginning you have a starting point with your weight. You have a what your wellness goal is, and it goes right into the spreads. So on a spread you can put your week, you can put your activity, it goes all the days of the week here, your habits, water, steps, hours slept. On this side you can track all of your meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And this is what you get for every single week. And then at the end of the month, you have this right here, monthly progress. So you have where you can put your clothing side, all of your measurements. You can maybe journal or put some pictures here. And then there's like a little accomplishment goal section here. And then it restarts over. So it goes that way through the entire journal. At the back, you get a couple pages of lined paper to use whatever you want. It looks like you get 4 sheets. You have a little folder at the back, and you also get 1 sticker sheet of these like gold metallic stickers. So this is one journal that I'm going to be using. The next one is going to be the meal planner. Again, this is like that color blend pattern, and on here you get 28 weeks, so half a year. You get some dinner party planning spreads, shopping list, and meal prep. Lots of goodies. This one is kind of this like blue to like a light blue to like a green. And on this one, it starts off right, looks like it might go right into the spreads. So for this one, you have meals on this side to be able to meal plan. Then you have your shopping list and your meal prep strategy on this side, and you can put the date over in the corner. So this is kind of how all the spreads are. Let's see. In between months, nope, it doesn't even look like it. Looks like you just have 28 straight months all the way through. 28 straight weeks is what I meant. About halfway through, you get into this dinner party meal plan, drinks, appetizers, main dishes, your guests if they have any requests, and then you have a shopping list and a cooking schedule. Looks like you get a few of those, maybe 10 of them, maybe not quite. Then you also have a price tracker. Oh, this is interesting. So you can put like the item, what store you found it at, the size, the price, the date, things like that. And then you can kind of compare it. You have a mini recipe log in the back for some quick recipes. You get a couple pages of that. You get a conversion chart, which is awesome. You also have like some equivalents down here. So 2 8-inch round cake pans. The equivalent would be like 1 9x5 loaf pan, things like that. You also get a folder in the back, and you get a sticker sheet right here of some silver foil stickers. So this is the meal planner. That's my second one. So the third and fourth one are kind of going to switch out a little bit. This one is the Petite Planner Travel Journal. I wanted to have this on hand because we do a lot of traveling over the fall and spring and summer. During the winter, not so much. We're coming up on fall, so this is what the inside looks like. Travel journal. You have in the beginning a reservations and to-dos. Here are kind of your spots to put your reservations, a packing list, places to visit on your vacation, a trip itinerary. It goes day 1 through 7, things you're going to do on every day, daily adventures, favorite moment for today. So it looks like you get maybe 7 of those. 5, 6, 7, and then it starts again. So you can do a couple different trips. You get a ton of pages, and then you can kind of plan out your day, and it goes all the way through. Let's see what's in the back. Let's see. So here we go. This one is places to visit again, so you can kind of put some places that you liked. And then you have some dot grid in the back, and then again there's a folder, and you get a sticker sheet. This one has rose gold foil. So this one is just going to be in there for the most part all the time. I don't know if I'll use it all the time, but I'm going to have it in there for when we do take some trips. And then last but not least is just a lined pages. This is just like the layers pattern, and it is literally just a lined notebook the entire way through. I just wanted something to be able to like write notes down. I think this is the planner that I'm going to end up taking with me in my purse, so it's just a good place to have. So probably this one right here. This one will get changed out during the holiday season for the holiday planner that came in the fall surprise box, which is this one right here. This one is just a holiday planning one, all things Christmas. So probably starting in October-ish, I am going to take this and I'm going to swap it out for the travel one, and then when I'm done with it, I'll put this travel one back in. So if you've never seen this system before, you take your lined notebooks, and about halfway through or so, you don't have to do halfway, you can maybe do partially part of the way, you just kind of throw your notebook in like this and you put it right here in the crease, and then you're done. You can kind of maneuver them how you want. So wellness is going to go first. Let's see, and right here it kind of opens naturally. That's usually where I put mine. Next one is going to be the meal planner, and you just kind of slide it right in, and then kind of adjust these how you want them. Like I want to pull this one a little bit further this way, so I'll kind of adjust it like that. And then I think I'm probably going to put the travel one, so let's open it halfway and put this guy in, and then move it over so it sits right in the crease. And then last but not least is going to be this lined notebook. Let's see if I can open this. There we go. And then it will go in the last slot. I don't know if I'll always keep 4 in here. Maybe I'll keep 3. We'll see kind of how I like it, but this is how it sits in there. So you have that one, then you can put this one, and then that one, and last but not, and then you can close it. And then you can put this all the way around. So if I were to keep all of them in here, it would be this full with all of my notebooks in there. But it's nice and chunky, and I love how it looks. So then if I want to use it, just open it back up. And then what I would probably do is probably pull it out. So if I want to work in this one, I will pull it out, write in it, and then put it back in. So also, I grabbed this right here. So this is On the Go Folio Insert Organizer. On the inside here, it kind of shows you what it is, but it slides in between some of your strings to just give you some extra storage. I'm going to probably use mine to keep some sticker sheets in here. Oh, I even read the instructions wrong. This is kind of cool. So it's just one pocket, like one folio type thing. On the front here, it has 3 little pockets. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. On the inside, there's 2, one bigger one there and one bigger one there. And then on this part right here, you have a flap that you can open to put things in there. So I'm going to put this folio in the back. So I actually have to take out this last notebook. Guys, this is real life. This is really what I'm doing right now. So sorry if it's a wobbly mess, but I am going to put this one in the very back because I feel like that's where I would keep them normally. And it just fits right in there, which is awesome. And then I'm going to stick my lined one right in this one as well. So if I grab it, I can just do both of them like that. So when I flip through this guy, I have my wellness log, I have my meal planner, I have my travel, which will be swapped out for my holiday one. And then you come to this. So I could put, let me see. So I could put credit cards in here. I could put washi cards in here. This one right here can be used for whatever I want. And then into my lined notebook. And then at the very back, I probably will stick sticker sheets in here. Would be my guess, like sticker kits, things like that I want to use in this planner. And then when I close it all up, I'm all good to go. Like, just close it up. Actually, guys, now that I look at it, I think I want to do this differently. Okay, bear with me because I'm learning as I go. I am new to this system, so I'm learning as I go. I'm actually going to take this guy right here and I'm going to put it through all of them, I think. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I pulled them all out again, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to run this folio from the front to the back. So through all of my strings. I don't know if you're supposed to do it like this, but I feel like this makes more sense to me. So open it and have it lay completely flat in there, and then I will start adding my notebooks in. That way I have some stuff at the front and some stuff at the back. I feel like all those holes at the beginning are something that I'll probably want to have like handy quickly to be able to put things in. Just grab and go. So when I slide these all back in, man, I'm already getting better at this, like sliding them in and out. And then I think I'll like this better. So let me see how this looks now. Okay, so I folded it all up, and now I'm going to show you guys what it ended up looking like. So if you open it, the first thing you see is going to be these credit card holders. Again, I think I might take out one of the notebooks, but I'm not entirely sure. This is what it looks like if you have 4 notebooks in it. So you have this front one, then you have my wellness, you have my meal planning, you have my travel, then you have the lined notebook, and you have the back, which is where all my stickers are. I like this much better, actually. Again, I might take out the travel one. But I guess we'll just have to see. So you can like play with the strings a little bit, move them around how you want them. If they're not sitting right, you can pull strings from one and make it longer in the other. So guys, this is going to be an interesting, I haven't been in a traveler's notebook in years. So this is going to be an interesting transition into this. I'm going to be using this as kind of more of my on-go planner. So it's going to be like in my purse, it's going to be taken with me, it's got a lot of my health things in it. So I feel like having this is just going to work a lot better for me. I am going to be putting up numerous videos on my channel showing you guys the different inserts, how I'm going to be using them, things like that. So if you're interested in getting this Petite Planner System, this is still on sale at Erin Condren right now. Everything is 25% off. It's definitely a good deal. So if you want to try this system, it's not overly expensive. It's cheaper than a life planner. So if it's something, maybe you want something more portable, I will leave links in the description below to everything. That way you can take advantage of the 25% off sale right now. I think it ends tomorrow. So this video is going live on the 21st. I think the sale goes through the 22nd. So jump on that if you are interested in the Petite Planner System. I would love if you use my links below. I am an affiliate of Erin Condren, so I do make a small commission, but everything I make goes back into my channel so I can make better videos for you guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Be on the lookout for some videos in regards to this Petite planning system if you are interested, because they are definitely coming. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!